बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Dear students, today we will move to next question of exercise 1.4, that is question number 4. If f of x is equal to function is x plus 2 when x is less than or equals to minus 1, function is c plus 2 when x is greater than minus 1, find value of c so that limit x tends to minus 1 f of x exists. Understand the meaning of this one. Limit x tends to minus 1 f of x exists. It means at x tends to minus 1 function exists. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Dear students, first of all there is need to understand the statement of the question. Find c so that limit x tends to minus 1 exists. It means left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. So write on side by side limit x tends to minus 1 raised to power minus 1. This negative sign shows left hand limit, while positive one shows right hand limit. So write on both sides left hand limit one side on left side and right hand limit on right side. On the function limit x tends to minus 1 on left hand limit, limit x tends to minus 1 plus represent right hand limit f of x. While now see here x tends to minus 1, value of x is less than minus 1. Now come to the question, value of x is less than minus 1. This function exists here. Value of x is less than minus 1. So function is x plus 2. As you can see here in the question, this is given. So write it. Limit x tends to minus 1. On left hand side function is now x plus 2, while on right hand side limit x tends to minus 1. This plus shows what? It is just abbreviation for right hand limit. So it means that value of x is greater than minus 1. So value of x is greater than minus 1. Come to this statement, x value is greater than minus 1. So there is function c plus 2. So write in place of f of x c plus 2. On left hand side minus 1 plus 2 after putting limit, while on right hand side c plus 2. So you can easily calculate value of c, that is equal to minus 1. So in this way you have calculated value of c by given requirements, that is limit x tends to minus 1 f of x exists. So now we have solved question number 4. Okay, minus 1 plus 2 is equal to c plus 2, 1 minus 2 is equal to c, and c is equal to minus 1. So this is your final answer. Now we are going to move to solve question number 5 of exercise 1.4. Question number 5 of this exercise, find the values m and n. Find the values of m and n. These are two variables, so that given function f is continuous at x is equal to 3. You understand the meaning of continuous. It means at x is equal to 3, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, while in first part f of x is equal to mx, function is equal to mx if x is less than 3, function is n if x is equal to 3, minus 2x plus 9 if x is greater than 3, while in second part f of x is equal to mx if x is less than 3 and x square if x is greater than or equals to 3. Dear students, as it's given in the question, function is continuous. So limit x tends to 3, this is continuous. As function is continuous, so limit x tends to 3, f of x exists. So it means write on both sides, on left hand side left hand limit, and while on right hand side right hand limit that exists on 3. Limit x tends to 3, this negative sign shows for, this is representation left hand limit. F of x is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus sign for right hand limit f of x. So now the value of x less than 3. Now search in question value x is less than 3. X is less than 3. It is given here. First one, x is less than 3. So function is m of mx. M multiply with x. Limit x tends to 3 negative. So in place of this fx function write mx, while on right hand side limit x tends to 3 plus value of x is greater than 3. This is given here in third one. So function is minus 2x plus 9 So write here minus 2x plus 9. After putting limit m as it is, in place of x3, 3m is equal to minus 2 into 3, 6 plus 9, minus 6 plus 9. So 3m is equal to 3, m is equal to 3 by 3. So value of m we have calculated now, that is equal to 1. As f of x is continuous, so here limit x tends to 3, f of x is equal to 3. We have calculated because it is continuous. So we can write it as function is continuous. So limit x tends to 3, f of x, this is limiting value, while this one is function value f of 3. So limiting value of the function is 3, while f of 3 is equal to n. F of 3 is equal to n. How? Because here value of x is 3, so x is equal to 3 here in f of x. So in question x is equal to 3 when the function is n. So that's why we can write in place of f of x when x is equal to 3, n. So value of n and m we have calculated now as requirement of the question. Your homework is to solve remaining part of question number 5, second part, and do practice of all the questions of this exercise. We have completed 5 questions of exercise 1.4. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.